Eye massage technique with essential oils. Utilize your middle and ring fingers. Apply essential oil around the upper and lower eye sockets. Any excess oil can be wiped onto your fingers. It's not ideal for use on the palm, as the palm has a smaller contact area. Additionally, essential oils have a unique property. They should not be warmed up by rubbing your hands together. Remember this because essential oils are highly volatile. During winter, when hands are cold, it's advised to warm your hands before using the oil. Otherwise, the oil will evaporate after you've finished rubbing. Next, use your middle and ring fingers. Circle around the eye area. First, spread the oil evenly over the entire eye area in a circular motion. Then do the circles in reverse. Make sure to avoid the pupils. Don't get the oil in your eyes. It's okay to touch the eyelashes. After you're done, next is to make an oblique figure 8 motion. With the help of the other hand on the right hand, make an inverted figure 8. After completing the figure 8, begin soothing one side. Use this technique for lifting crow's feet. Slide to the other side to soothe. Finally, soothe both eyes simultaneously. This concludes the technique.